Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WordPress Gutenberg blocks for better landing page layouts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your WordPress Gutenberg blocks, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page or post you want to edit. Click on the edit option for that specific page or post. Once in the editor, familiarize yourself with the Gutenberg interface. Identify the blocks currently in use on your landing page. Consider the overall layout and design you want to achieve. Select a block you wish to update by clicking on it. In the block settings on the right sidebar, explore the various customization options available. Adjust the content as necessary, using headings, text, images, and other media. Next, consider restructuring your blocks for better visual flow. You can easily move blocks around by dragging them to your desired location. If applicable, add new blocks to enhance your layout. To do this, click the plus icon to access the block library. Search for and select blocks that align with your design vision. Make use of layout blocks, such as columns or group blocks, for more complex arrangements. Customize each block's settings, including background colors and padding, to create a cohesive look. Preview changes frequently to see how your updates appear on the front end. Once you're satisfied, click the Update button to save your changes. Lastly, test the landing page on different devices to ensure it's responsive. Make any additional tweaks as necessary based on your tests. Your updated landing page with improved Gutenberg block layouts is now ready to engage visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.